Okay, so I'm going to assume you've installed the Unreal Engine, but if you haven't, you can get that from Epic Games. So we're going to create a game, and then we're going to go with a blank project. And in the top left corner here, we're going to choose whether we want Blueprint or C++. We can still use both. Then the name of the project goes in the bottom. So in the top left corner, I'm going to go to the File menu, open a new map. So once we've loaded in, it still hasn't quite given us an empty project. When we hit play, we get some sort of spectator camera that doesn't quite convenience our project. So first thing we're going to do is fix that. Don't forget after the map loads to save it out too. This is the cutoff point for you guys wanting to do this in C++. There's an on-screen card for you to click. So I'm going to right click in the content browser, create a new blueprint of type game mode base. We're going to name that my GM or my game mode. This game mode class is going to handle the rules for the game and what classes are involved in various gameplay elements. And if you are struggling with any of this, remember there's a link to our Discord in the description and we're all very happy to help you. So now we're going to tell the engine to use our newly created game mode by clicking the blueprint button top center of the screen, and at the bottom second option up we have the override, and here we're going to select the my game mode. Double click to open it in the editor. Right now all we're going to do is tell it that we don't want the default pawn and set that to none. We can't adjust the player controller yet because we don't have one to switch to and none isn't an option. Compile and save that. So we right click in the content browser, go blueprints, blueprint class, and we're going to select the player controller. We're going to call it my PC, sorta. Then we need to nip back into the game mode and set the player controller to the newly created my PC class. Now, when we click play, we truly have nothing. Oh, except I'm in the wrong map because of editing magic. But when we go to the map we created, we have absolutely nothing. Come back in the next part where we'll change that.